Okay, I just want us to understand this because recently I find out that DOS and members are struggling hard to come back to fundraising, to start raising money again, just to enrich themselves as usual. But please, my people, all you need to do is to like the video and share it. Subscribe to this channel. One of the reasons why you need to like this video is for it to get to many Biafrans, many Igbos, whether Biafran or non-Biafrans, to understand the game. These people have been parading themselves in streets of Europe, around the world, entertaining themselves with Biafran flag, gather together, like you're seeing here on this screen. And this is the Maker Gift 2 hours ago, still bragging on how they gather together. This is how they will bring freedom for you. You can see that. They will gather together. After some of them, their wife is in Nigeria, some of them, their husband is in Nigeria, okay? And they are here, rubbing shoulder with each other, entertaining themselves and making themselves happy. And at the same time, they will tell you that they are in front of, just to take photo shots. And they have done this for years for you to go to the so-called family unit and start paying money to them again. That is why Ekpa is a criminal, because they have stopped them from this. Tell me, all the money they have been contributing all these years, what have they done with it? Master Kano will keep on raising money and shouting and give. Not that Master Kano is not putting the money where it's supposed to go, but once the money comes, these people will deceive him and they will make it. They will corner that money. The hatred on Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, is all about why must he stop us from people are not, because of him, nobody is paying money again. That is where the whole problem started. Anyway, I want you to understand that if you stop them, you are actually helping your life. The more you are keeping them in the limelight, the more you are encouraging them to keep on making and sucking you without giving you anything. Some of you may not remember this, but I'm going to flash it. Hopefully the platform is going to allow that. This is Biafra land before PM takeover.
So we don't go with Anambra State. So we don't thank you, brother. Governor Anambra State. People can't differ,
So what we are seeing here is Soludo, what he did in Anambra State with his men called Ebubago. Ebubago is the one committing 90% of this crime that people are saying that our land is insecure, our land is, they are killing, they are kidnapping. Is Ebubago. They are Ebubago. They are very, very ruthless. Hear this story. I know you, some of you now listen. Let me take it back a bit. So you just hear this woman.
What did the 14 boys do? What did they do?
Did you hear that? Now listen.
Ogun Mozambique of Amere, Opus Odemma, and the Ebubago people. This Ebubago must to end. We put stop to this Ebubago. They are doing a very big harm in our mama, Oru East, Oru West, as a whole. Killing our youth for no reason. Why? Killing our youth for no reason. Ogun Mozambique is the commander. Ogun Mozambique is the commander of Ebubago. Killing his brothers and sisters for no reason. Why? Why? A bandit from Mozambique, a terror, somebody that they have marked a terrorist in Mozambique, come back here and collect Bubago commander. Massive protests in our mama now going on against the Bubago people, killing our youth anyhow. Killing our youth anyhow. Massive protests going on in our mama right now. Massive protests. The Bubago people have caused a very big harm in our mama generally. Look at massive protests going on. The Bubago people have caused a very big harm in our mama. Very big havoc in our mama as a whole.
This is just one out of many. Not that US people they don't have the access to this video. They do. But they want to tag everything to Simon Ekpa and to make sure that they transfer the anger on Simon Ekpa. So when you hear a businessman in somewhere in Jos or in Abuja, once they hear them saying they say Simon Ekpa, and if you go to Simon Ekpa's page, Veteran Prime Minister, they think that the report of Simon Ekpa, Veteran Prime Minister, they think that report that PM is putting out there is because that PM is not is the one he's admitting the killing of Ebubago. PM understand what he's doing, trying to share the video so that people will see that he's making sure that he stops the people who have been doing those things. It's not as if those things were not there. But the US want us to use cement and block our brain so that whatever they say, we not accept. Or connotation, we not accept. Now, listen. Now, after much engagement by Biafran Liberation Army, these people are now, remember before they don't complain to anybody, before they were busy, look at them, these are people, they got, what these people are seeing here are killers. Then they have license from governors, all of the governor, per none. I think we don't have, I don't know if they have the Bibago in Enugu State, but I'm sure of Anambra and Imo and Ebonyi. I don't know if they have in Abia, but I believe they may, because all of them, Peter Mbo, of course, love to have, we love to have his own. These people, the squad we are seeing here is one of Anambra. The worst of them all is in Imo. Okay? Nobody is telling you their reports of their crime. What happened is this. Whenever these people go to villages and they buy people, Biafran Liberation Army will go there to stop them. And that's it. When you hear say, insecurity, they are causing insecurity. These are the people causing insecurity. And the question should be, how do they form a Bubago? Who was the person that facilitated the formation of a Bubago, and who was behind the whole thing? How did it happen? Who and who is responsible of a Bubago formation? The story is go back to, if you check the story, you still go back to DOS. Most of this so-called Bubago happened to be people, part of the people that you saw on the video of Mazamano Kano when he unveiled ESN. You know, there were thousands. Remember, most of these commanders then tried to recruit and deceive other people to join a Bubago. With so I don't need to prolong the video, but you understand the point. If I allow them to say something they're saying here, which I'm going to allow him to say just a little bit, you understand what they're meant for. Now listen, because these people are very, very funny. Here
for the blood. I'm warning you. Don't allow these people. Any of them, Batara Nambara, Onwabara, Diginisi. Anambra State, with the security. We are a peaceful state. We don't need your help. We don't need your help in Anambra State. Anambra State is a peaceful state. So, we're talking of Biafra. You go low down. Not by killing your brothers.
You see? First of all, he says, but don't bring, I don't want to play all the videos. I don't want to give them that promotion. He said, don't bring your people should not come to Anambra. If they come, any of them that buy, their blood will be on your head. That Anambra were security. Look at security. We have seen their videos with the same people where they are beating, young men, young Igbo youths. I don't know if you have come across a video where some armed group were using something like mortar. Is it mortar or pistol? That's what they call that, pistol. They use that and hitting the person, hitting those. If they want to torture you, they always attack on the nails. Your nail, it doesn't matter. They will be pounding on that. They will make sure they cripple that person. The person will never ever walk again. These guys are so wicked, just like Boko Haram. These people you're seeing here, they are not your friend. They are worse than SARS. But In a case where they caught a Fulani man who raped, um, you know, people, they ignore them. They release the people immediately. They release the Fulani man immediately because they are scared. These people are scared of army. Anyway, I don't need to tell you more. Most of you understand what I'm saying, but you get the gist. So please like the video and tell me what you think about the propaganda and lies. That's why I'm not good in sharing a video like this before, but after seeing what I'm seeing online, we need to expose the truth, to be honest with you.